Hello guys, welcome to today's topic. Today I'm going to show you how to install Grammarly on your laptop, Microsoft Word, Google Document and mobile browsers. First of all, you might be wondering why you should bother installing Grammarly. After all, you've never used it. Well, the reason is simple. Grammarly helps in editing any writing pieces that you have, whether it's email or document. You don't have to send those newsletters or drafts with so many grammatical errors. No. Let me show you how Grammarly works and how you can install it. So to install Grammarly on your PC or laptop, the first thing you want to do is come to grammarly.com. So when you come to grammarly.com, if you choose, you can scroll through all the things that Grammarly does. This is everything they have to offer. And as you can see, these are all the ecosystems you can use it on, from Gmail to Outlook, Slack, Google Doc, Word, and even social media. So to install it on your PC, you need to log in here, and in your case, if you're a new user, you need to sign up. As you can see, sign in. If you're a new user, you choose I don't have an account here. Since I already use Grammarly, I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. That is what I use. So I'm going to sign in real quick. So I've signed in now, and it's going to take me to the introduction screen for Grammarly. As you can see, yes. So these are all stuffs I've used it for before. So to install Grammarly on your PC and other platforms, you can come to apps here. As you can see, Grammarly for Windows, Grammarly for Firefox, Grammarly for iPhone, iPad, Grammarly for Android. So presently I have it on my Firefox and I have it on my iPhone. So didn't have it before, all you have to do is just click on install, like you can install on Windows here. So if I click on install here, it's going to download the Grammarly application, which I'll then follow through to install. So the same thing for your Firefox as well. So I'll just let this finish downloading, then I'll show you how to install. So the Grammarly application for Windows has finished downloading. I'm just going to show you how to install. You can, if you're using Firefox, you can install from here directly or go to the download folder. So I'm going to install from here directly. I'm going to click on it. So you can see it's just doing its thing here, just loading up. It's just loading up. So once it's done loading, it's going to bring up a pop-up screen. So before I install it on my system, I have to tell you this option. Let me minimize that real quick. This option of downloading Grammarly for your Windows, it acts as a standalone Grammarly app. So when you need to edit your document or something, you just need to come into Grammarly here. You need to open the Grammarly website or the app in this case. So you just click on upload. It's going to upload the document, then you can then work on the document. So what you want to do is, if you don't have an account, you sign up. If you have an account, you just sign into your existing account. So as you can see, it opened up my default browser. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account again. So yes, now I'm signed in, and it's going to revert me back to the app. Yeah. So I'm just going to open the app again. Sorry. So after signing in, you're going to get this little introduction. So just click through. So then if you want, you can upgrade to Grammarly Premium. Grammarly Premium gives you a lot of extra functionalities like plagiarism. The plagiarism detection is actually very important if you're the type that deals with creative writing a lot. So For now, I'm just going to continue for free. So I'm going to start using Grammarly. So once you're done with that, it's going to open up your audience goals where you get to set your writing tone and all. So you can choose general, knowledgeable, or experts for the audience depending on how you want to sound. So the formality, whether you want to sound informal, neutral, or formal. So the domain, you don't need that. It's for premium users only. So you can decide to your intent, your writing intent, whether you want to inform or describe something or try to convince. For example, when you're writing, if you're using it for copywriting, for example, you can decide to use describe, convince, and tell a story as your writing tone. So when you're done, you're going to click on done. And as you can see, this is how the Grammarly interface works. And I'm going to come back to this after I show you how to install Grammarly on Microsoft Word and Google Doc. So the downside of trying to install Grammarly apps from here is there's no option to install Grammarly on your Microsoft Word here. So I'm going to paste the link to do that in the description. So if you want to, you can always check. So this is the link here. Um, if you scroll down on the link, you can see some other app sections here as well. The Grammarly editor, Grammarly for your desktop, Grammarly browser extension, and mobile keyboards. So if I hadn't installed these yet, you could have installed them from here directly as well. So what you want to do from here is click on the get the add-in. So it's going to start downloading now. When it's done downloading, I'm going to show you how to install it on your Microsoft Office. Okay, so now it has finished downloading. I'm going to show you how to install it on Microsoft Office and Outlook. So but just in case, sometimes some browsers are always unresponsive. So if it didn't download, you just need to click here to start the download. So let's get rolling. So when you click on the software that you just downloaded, it's going to bring you to an introduction screen here. So you just click on get started. So as you can see, um you can select whether you want it only for Microsoft Word or you want it for Outlook as well. So let me just install for both. So it's going to install. So it's just going to finish installing now. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Yeah, so because I already have it on my Microsoft Word already, that's why it's bringing out this error message here. So let's just confirm. Let's click on finish and confirm if it has installed on the Microsoft Office software. So as you can see here, open Grammarly. So if we let me get a dummy content, so I'm just going to copy and paste this one right here. So this is how you use it on your Microsoft with your Microsoft Office. You click on open Grammarly here. So as you can see, it's going to open up the Grammarly Microsoft Word interface here. So and it's going to check on the right hand side here. So watch how it's going to bring out all the errors. As you can see, these are all the errors I could have sent with this document if I was sending it. So you can see to edit them, you just need to, as you can see, this is 8-year-old here. So click on 8-year-old like that. So click on this to add space between that. Click on this to change this to British English because this was written in American English, if I'm correct. Yes, neighborhood. Yes. So basically that's how to install it on your Microsoft documents and how to use it. So to install on a Google Doc, I don't really think you need to do much. You don't need to do much. Once you install once you install Grammarly for your browser from here, this auto detects the browser that you're using. So if you're using Chrome, this would have been Grammarly for Chrome, and it would have, let's just remove this extension here. So sorry to see you go. Blah blah blah. Not not doing all that. So let's restart this. Let's refresh this. So yes, as you can see, Grammarly for Firefox is up now. So let's install it. If you're using Chrome, it's going to be Chrome. So it's downloading it. So once it's done downloading, I'm going to show you how to. My download speed is quite slow, so I'm going to pause and come back. So the add-on has finished downloading. So I just click continue to installation. So I'm going to add this extension for Grammarly on my Firefox. So as you can see, the Grammarly icon is back here. So um, on this page, got it activate Grammarly. So yeah, continue to Grammarly. Then I'm just going to have to repeat the process of choosing the writing language and all. So as you can see, just going to click on done. So the advantage of having Grammarly on your browser as your browser extension is anything you open with this browser now, you can use you get Grammarly pops up and you can use it to edit it. Anything you open, whether you open your Gmail, whether you open Google Doc, whether you open anywhere you open any text editor, you're going to get Grammarly working there. That's the advantage of using Grammarly as a browser extension. So you can use it as a standalone desktop editor. You can use it as with your Microsoft Office, and you can use it with your browser as well. So it depends on what you want. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you get to like and subscribe. Thank you.